Got that clutch kitchen prep, boys. Got the oil change. Time to get some tires on it. Let's party. Woo! Taking out the new F-250 today too, and the new trailer. Yep. It's gonna be a good ass time. What's going on, guys? So it's hot as shit in San Diego today, but we are prepping for a drift event. Tomorrow we are going to, what is it called? Clutch Kitchen, and it's a competition. Judges are like Chelsea DeNofa, Rome, a bunch of FD drivers are going to be judging the competition, and they're going to be there having a good time as well. We're in the competition, so let's see how that goes. Getting everything packed up. Got the truck packed up, the 7.3. We got water, gas. I got our bed back there. Me and the girl are gonna be camping tonight because the event isn't till tomorrow, 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. or so. It's gonna be fun as hell. Right now we're just working on the drift car, doing some last minute prep as always. I'm changing the oil because it's been about an event or two and I haven't changed it, and this car runs on E85, so I tried to change it as much as possible. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to do. I gotta do that, throw on some new tires and rims, and then go pick up some tires from the one and only Chavez Tires. Thank you guys for always hooking me up. But yeah, so we're just changing the oil right now. I just hit the hell out of my head. That was great. And yeah, I will show you what that looks like, because it surprisingly doesn't look too bad. The oil itself doesn't look too bad. It usually looks really bad when I take it out of the catch can. It almost looks like I blew a head gasket, but that's just because the E85 mixing with the engine oil. So yeah, it should be a fun day. Got a new trailer. We're gonna test this guy out, take the truck on its maiden voyage, and try to get podium. She's dirty as right now, pardon my language. So we gotta clean her up a bit, but yeah. We got the F-250 loaded up. We're pretty much good to go there. I gotta fix the wiring on the trailer here. There's a ground that's supposed to be connected. That is not. So I gotta do that. Finish the oil change, jack up the rear end, put on some new tires and rims, and then go get some tires mounted on these rims. She is dirty as hell. I haven't taken or moved this car in about a month, so should be a fun time. I'm gonna finish changing this oil and I'll see you guys in a second. Party for the Formula Drift for Irwindale. It's gonna be, we're about 2 hours and 30 minutes away right now. It's gonna be fun. There's like a grassroots amateur competition thing going on, so we're bringing the 350C, and it should be a good time. They're gonna have Formula Drift judges, so Chelsea DeNofa will be a judge, Rome's gonna be a judge. here getting gas, right? I gotta get some diesel, get some E85, and check out what we got. That's why I'm getting out of California right there. So yeah, we're almost there. First ever event, competition, grassroots type deal. Get the car warmed up, and we're gonna go through the tech and get some practice going. Should be a fun time. Let's hope we pass. Alright, so we're leaving Apple Valley. The event did not go as we had hoped. I was able to get a couple laps in, the car started misfiring, breaking out. I wasn't having any power, and it seems to be that I got like a bad alternator. I did like a couple tests, the car wasn't starting on its own, I had to jump start it. And when I did, I tested the battery with a voltmeter while it was idling, and it was only getting like 10 volts. Same with the alternator. So let's hope that's all the problem is. Might be time to put a high output alternator on this guy, so we don't have these issues anymore, because I'm not getting to compete because of the car. Kind of sucks. But we had a good time. So, see us next time.